It is very hot outside today. This person has skulls on their license plate frame. Does that mean they are a killer? Serial killer, perhaps? I am just on my way home from long day's work with little pay. I came to this country to feed my family large bananas. But after 2 weeks of work, boss give me paper. Paper does not feed family. My family does not like taste of paper. Hello, hard workers. Boss told me that I can trade paper for a banana, but he has no banana to trade, so I am stuck with paper. We have tried cooking the paper in different ways, but it does not feed family. And now I am out of paper and have no banana. I came to this country to feed my family large bananas. Where are my bananas? I may have to contact Humane Resources about this. For my next 2 weeks, I will get more paper and no banana. Perhaps someone in Humane Resources has banana to trade. Gas here is 389 bananas. That is a lot of bananas. And still I have no bananas. Where I come from, employer pay me in small bananas. Told me America much better opportunity for bigger bananas. Right now I think I have been misguided, bamboozled even. Fool me once, no bananas. Fool me twice, I still have no bananas. This person keeps getting awfully close to my back. Maybe he has bananas for trade. Does that say bananas on board? Oh, it's just a baby. Never mind. If anyone listening out there has bananas for trade, please message me. My family will starve soon if we do not get the bananas. Thank you, my banana fam. I hope you have wonderful banana-filled day and that you may share your bananas. I came to this country to feed my family large bananas, and I have no bananas. Do you have bananas? No bananas. Goodbye.